पिळांच्या बर्जर बेकर ह्या कंपनीक लागिल्लो उजो पळयल्यार हो आयज मेरेनचो सगळ्यात भिरांकूळ उजो अशें म्हणीत ही कंपनी दुसऱ्या जाग्यार स्थलांतरीत करची अशी मागणी कळंगूटचो आमदार मायकल लोबोन केली. जाल्यार आपतकालीन वेवस्थापन प्राधिकरणाचेर सरकाराचें लक्ष ना, तशेंच हो खूब गंभीर विशय देखून ह्या कंपनीचेर खर कारवाय जावची अशी मागणी विजयान केल्या.
कॉलिंग अटेंशन हाडपाक इतलेच इम्पॉर्टंट की थिंगा रेजिडेंशियल हाउसेस are touching this factory, and earlier also in Kundai industrial estate जेन्ना ही फॅक्टरी आसली थिंगासरूय उजो लागलो, थिंगासर तेंच्यांनी हिंगा शिफ्ट केली आनी ही आतां बाउंड्रीचेर आहा. दिस इज एट द बाउंड्री ऑफ द विलेज and the houses are within 70 meters. All the houses are within 70 meters below that hill. तेदूस उजो ते सायडीनसून सकला बसून लागलो. ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक खबर आहा, थिंगासोर येवन तेणें पासून पळयल्लें आहा. आमचो चेअरमॅन ऑफ GIDC बाब अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्स ही ऑल्सो केम ऑन द सायड. बाब आमचो केदार नायक सगळे येयल्ले. पूण द पीपल हू आर स्टेईंग विदीन द वेसिनिटी आर एट रिस्क. So my request to the Honorable Chief Minister is to relocate this factory. I
stand to support the contention of our senior legislator who says that this Berger factory has a second fire of the day. See, we are not aware of this. Nobody was aware that second fire has happened. According to me, this Pilerne factory fire is one of the worst industrial fires in Goa. Thankfully, there have been no deaths. But the question is, what has the government learned from this incident? Speaker sir, will the government prepare an audit of this accident? If there was an audit of the accident in the first place, you wouldn't have had a second accident so quick. So government is not concerned about having an audit of the accident. So there should be an alarm to improve the fire safety measure. So म्हाका अशें दिसता स्पीकर सर, हें जें कितें जालां हाजे पयलीं 2 बीच शेकांक उजो लागिल्लो नोव्हेंबर 2022, एक स्क्रॅप यार्डाक उजो लागिल्लो डिसेंबर 2022. There have been reports of cars catching fire. In front of a South Goa collectorate, a car has caught fire. So I think the government is not looking at disaster management authority. Fire safety is not a concern of the government. Putting fire in other parties is a concern, which the minister does very well. Speaker said this is a serious issue, and I think the company has to be paid to pay a penalty for this loss. Nobody seems to be talking against the company. सगळे फिक्स केल्या काय तुम्ही? अरे तुमचे थंय उजो लागलो, तुमचे उदक हें जालें, एकटो कंपनी म्हाका कळना. तुम्ही म्हणटात उदक पोल्यूट जालें, बांयो गेल्यो, लोकांक उजो पेटपाचो आहा, कंपनीचेर एकटोय कसो उलयता?